Everyone knows America is obsessed with fried food. And when it comes to deep-fried comfort food, one name that's always on America's lips is Kentucky Fried Chicken. The Colonel's secret handwritten recipe, a closely guarded blend of 11 herbs and spices, has been the foundation of their finger-licking good chicken for generations. And it's always secret under lock and key.
Harlan Sanders was indeed a real man, and so successful that he was made an honorary colonel by the governor of the state of Kentucky.
Today, join Captain Discovery to see the process of making this delicious and irresistible fried chicken. From crispy wings to juicy chicken on the bone, each piece is a testament to Colonel Sanders' years of dedication to creating the perfect fried chicken experience. So, why don't you order a KFC chicken bucket, settle in front of the table, and enjoy the video? And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to dive into fascinating processes from around the world.
Big cheesy smiles. It's gotta be cheesier than that.
Muriel's on the mend.
KFC was founded by Colonel Harlan Sanders, a man who became a legendary figure in the world of fast food. Harlan Sanders was born on September 9, 1890, in Henryville, Indiana, USA. In the 1930s, Sanders ran a service station in Corbin, Kentucky, where he developed his signature 11-herb and spice blend for fried chicken. His restaurant success led him to being honored as a Kentucky Colonel by the state governor in 1936. In 1952, Colonel Sanders franchised his chicken recipe to Pete Harmon in Salt Lake City, Utah, marking the first KFC franchise and the introduction of the Kentucky Fried Chicken name. During the 1950s and 1960s, KFC grew rapidly, with franchises opening across the United States and eventually around the world. The brand became synonymous with fried chicken, and its distinctive red and white bucket became an iconic symbol. In 1964, Sanders sold the company to a group of investors led by John Y. Brown Jr. and Jack C. Massey for $2 million. Though he remained the face of the brand and continued to represent KFC in advertising.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
After the sale, KFC expanded internationally, becoming one of the first American fast food chains to establish a global presence. By the 1970s and 1980s, KFC had opened thousands of outlets in various countries, including Japan, the United Kingdom, and China. Today, KFC is a subsidiary of Yum! Brands, which also owns Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. The brand continues to be a leader in the fast food industry, with thousands of locations in over 150 countries.
Tell me which one you taste more, the salted egg gold spice or the mala?
Definitely mala. Woo! I taste more salted egg.
3, 2, 1. Salted egg.
KFC Mala Gold Spice. Let your
Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about KFC. What is KFC's famous slogan? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below now. KFC sources its chicken from approved farms that adhere to strict animal welfare standards. These farms are usually part of larger poultry suppliers that meet KFC's specific requirements for chicken quality and sustainability. Chickens raised for KFC are fed a balanced diet that typically includes grains like corn and soy, along with essential vitamins and minerals to promote healthy growth. In many regions, including the US, KFC suppliers do not use added hormones or steroids in raising chickens, as these practices are either prohibited by law or against company policy. Upon delivery, the restaurant staff conducts a thorough inspection of the chicken to ensure it meets KFC's quality standards. After the initial inspection, the chicken is immediately stored in the restaurant's huge walk-in cold warehouse. The refrigerator is kept at a consistent temperature between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain the chicken's freshness. Proper storage practices are essential to prevent bacterial growth and ensure the chicken stays in optimal condition. KFC uses the FIFO, first in, first out method to manage inventory. This means that the chicken that was delivered first is used first, ensuring that older stock is utilized before new stock. Once the chicken is thawed and ready to be used, it is portioned out into standard cuts: drumsticks, thighs, wings, and breasts. Each piece is trimmed as needed to remove excess fat or unwanted parts, ensuring uniformity in size for even cooking. KFC uses a proprietary blend of spices and seasonings as part of their marination process. While the exact ingredients and proportions are a closely guarded secret, the marinade typically includes a mix of the famous 11 herbs and spices, along with other flavor enhancers that are key to KFC's unique taste. Once the marinade is ready, the chicken pieces are thoroughly coated with the mixture. Each piece is evenly covered to ensure that every bite of chicken will be flavorful. The chicken is gently massaged or tossed in the marinade to ensure that it is evenly distributed. This step helps the marinade penetrate the chicken, enhancing both the flavor and texture of the meat. After the chicken is coated in the marinade, it is allowed to rest for a specific period. This resting time can vary but is essential for allowing the flavors to fully infuse into the chicken. It's break time! Did you know ordering KFC fried chicken for Christmas has become a popular tradition in Japan? It's estimated that around 3.6 million Japanese families enjoy KFC for Christmas each year. KFC's red and white branding aligns well with Christmas imagery, and the convenience of pre-ordering large buckets of chicken for family gatherings adds to its appeal. So how often do you eat at KFC? Share in the comments section below now. KFC uses specialized pressure fryers, which are different from conventional deep fryers. These pressure fryers are designed to cook the chicken more evenly, and the exact temperature is a closely guarded secret.
Down just a little bit, and it starts to circulate it. The reason for that is we want to be able to recover very quickly after a cook cycle.
chicken pieces are loaded into the fryer basket in batches. Once the chicken is loaded, the lid of the pressure fryer is securely sealed. Then the fryer starts in 15 minutes. The high pressure forces the moisture in the chicken to stay inside the meat, which prevents the chicken from drying out and ensures it stays tender and juicy.
The characteristics of the coating to make it a lot smoother versus. Okay, there you go.
After cooking, the pressure inside the fryer is slowly released before opening the lid, which is essential to maintain the chicken's texture. The fried chicken pieces are now placed on a rack to allow excess oil to drain off. After the chicken is fried, it undergoes immediate checks. Staff ensure the chicken has a uniform golden brown color and a crispy exterior, indicative of proper cooking. Once the chicken is past the quality checks, it is placed in a warming cabinet, which is specifically designed to keep the chicken at the ideal temperature without compromising its texture. Then, the specific sauce is prepared, typically using a blend of spices, oil, and other ingredients. The fried chicken is dipped into or brushed with the sauce, ensuring an even coating on all sides. This step is done carefully to maintain the chicken's crispy texture while adding the desired flavor. Once the chicken is fully cooked and checked for quality, it is carefully placed into KFC's signature packaging. The packaging varies depending on the order size. For individual meals, chicken pieces are placed in small boxes or trays, whereas larger orders are placed into KFC's iconic red and white striped buckets, which can hold several pieces of chicken. For combo meals or family packs, the chicken is paired with the appropriate sides and beverages as per the customer's order. There's another option for dine-in customers, with the meal typically served on a tray with disposable plates and utensils. KFC also has the options for drive-thru customers. For delivery orders, the chicken and sides are carefully packed to maintain heat and quality during transport, ensuring the food arrives in good condition.
Our new way of giving you so good food. 30 minutes for a 40 peso fixed delivery fee. Only from KFC, because it feels so good to know we've delivered.
And now's the answer for the quiz about the slogan of KFC. The answer is, it's finger licking good. The phrase is one of the most iconic and enduring slogans in the world of fast food.
It's our original recipe in a steak.
No bones?
All meat. Still finger-licking good.
First introduced in the 1950s, this phrase perfectly encapsulates the brand's promise of delivering food so delicious that you'll be tempted to lick your fingers to savor every last bit of flavor. The slogan emphasizes the sensory experience of eating KFC's fried chicken, which is known for its crispy, flavorful coating and tender, juicy meat inside.
This holiday season, remember the trick. The one that lets you skip the line and get your finger-licking chicken finger-licking quick.
It's finger-licking quick. 100% white meat original recipe chicken nuggets. Baby! You've never ever had nuggets like this.
And they may even look at you, their loving parent. KFC, it's finger-licking good.
Right now, KFC operates in over 150 countries and territories worldwide. So in different countries, KFC offers unique menu items tailored to local tastes. Here are some of these. In Japan, you can have chicken tatsuta, a fried chicken fillet marinated in soy sauce and ginger, then coated with a special batter that gives it a distinctively crispy texture. In South Korea, it's Yangneum chicken, which is a sweet and spicy Korean-style fried chicken coated in a sticky sauce made from Korean chili paste, garlic, and honey. In Australia, a towering burger featuring 2 spicy zinger fillets, layered with cheese, crispy bacon, and smoky barbecue sauce, catering to Australia's love for hearty, bold flavors. And for the UK, well, they are truly loyal with the original recipe chicken, a classic favorite. Thank you for joining us in exploring the process of KFC fried chicken. Enjoy exploring anything in the world with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights.